Hey, this is E.J. McBride. I live in Sayville, Long Island. I just had my Andersen windows put in yesterday. And here's me in front of my new picture window. My wife and I love it. The house is warmer. The house is quieter. You can see I live on a busy road. I had the old replacement windows that were here when I bought the house. Sounded like the traffic went through my kitchen. Now you barely hear the road. The house is warmer, quieter, more comfortable. And my dog barks a lot. But the guys were great. The installation crew was professional, clean, neat. They even played with my dogs and helped me carry my groceries. I highly recommend them all. Jack Dempsey's an excellent guy, great salesman, very professional, answered all my questions. The entire Andersen crew was perfect. My contact person, Kim, she was on point, called me, been in touch ever since the job started. I couldn't be happier. It was money well spent, and I highly recommend it to everyone. I've recommended it to two of my friends already, and anybody that asks me, Andersen windows are the way to go. Thank you. Have a great day.